Alright guys, CoolMarioMovies here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my thumbnails. The apps I use is Magic Cut, Pixkit, and Pixel Lab. So what you want to do is go on Magic Cut, just cut out an E, and the picture you want to use. So yeah, I'm gonna scroll down and find Junior. You see this picture here? I'm gonna try to remake it. I made it before on another video, but this one is like better. It's not as like bad. That one had better things to do and stuff, and yeah, it's the one I want to use. So yeah, you see this brush, you can adjust the size, and yeah, you can also zoom in on the picture. So now I can just cut it out. For some reason I'm being really good at this. I'm not that good. And you can always press like the arrow buttons on the top, not the arrow button, like the blue arrow buttons you see on the top. Like one means like reverse, and one means like right out. Means the opposite. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and just see why I did that. So the rest, I keep messing up because I'm trying to get up here. So yeah. And there. And that's the junior cutout. Now you press it go. So now, oh, the mess up wasn't there. There's like an eraser tool right here. So now I can like zoom up and like it's supposed like this because it kind of looks weird. I'll just erase it. That was a bit too much to erase. It has to be smaller and just cut through the middle like that. Yeah, that looks better. A bit, I guess. Now I can make it bigger and zoom in and like this. So now you press the check mark. Now you press the check mark again. Now you press the arrow that's going down button. Oh yeah, that's Junior, and yeah. Do you see that watermark right there? That's got. Nobody wants that watermark there, so you have to go here, get an auto eraser, get the image you just cut, You see that watermark right there? You just simply erase it. And then you press check mark. Then you press that purple arrow button. And there. Now, so now, like, all I have to do now is do it again 2 more times. And then we'll get to the actual thumbnail part. So now what you want to do is go in gallery, find the images that you just used, and then click on them. Press edit. I don't know what this button is, but it's next to the one with the smiley face, but it's the one with the 3 circles. So like, and then you press auto, and then it looks a lot better. So yeah, you can do the same thing. Sometimes I just breathe really hard. I don't know why. Now you go on Pixel Lab. You always have to find a background. I already have a background, but you can download one on Google. So you go on like these 3 dots up here, image size, and then go on YouTube thumbnail banner, press OK, and then go to gallery, find your images. Hold up. I'm gonna go on downloads. Here. Okay. So when I want to use, then I lock it, and then you go on plus. Then you go on like pictures that you just got. So the first one I'm gonna use is just Lemmy. So why not? Smaller. And you do that again. Here's Junior. He's gonna be a little bit bigger than Lemmy. And Lemmy aren't the same size, of course. He's gonna be right there. But since it's only them, I'm gonna make like them all bigger. Like a lot bigger. Not this. Actually, that's way too big. Okay, so Junior, make him a bit more small because that's a bit too big. My phone is about to die now. That's great. I have to lock Junior. Do Lemmy. Then I lock Lemmy. Go and get Larry. Larry. And a bit smaller. There. Now lock him. Then you go on this I don't know what it is, but it's next to the A, but it's not this. It's the one that I just clicked on. It should be blue right now. So then you go on stroke and press enabled. Oh, then you put black. Like, I'm just gonna put black because why not? So, yeah. And I'm gonna make it like 4. Oh, 4. Now, I have to do this with the Larry again because I made his too small. Okay, now it's lock Larry. Now do Lemmy. Stroke enabled. 4. There. Then you press check mark. And now all you have to do is get your text. Press A, text. Now click the text 2 times. 9 times. Thumbnail tutorial. Now you go on styles, browse. I always use this one. And then, yeah. And that's the end. Then you go on the 3 dots, press export image, saved gallery. And then you usually get add. So that's how I make my thumbnails. And yeah.